I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to unblock someone in Proton Mail on the Proton website. And to be clear, at the time of this video, you can't unblock someone in the Proton Mail app, and you can only do it through the website. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to proton.me/mail, and then sign into your Proton Mail account if you're not signed in already. You'll land on your Proton Mail homepage. Step 2. Click Settings at the top of this screen. A settings menu opens. Step 3. Click All Settings. Step 4. Scroll down the menu on the left side of the screen to the Proton Mail section and then click Filters in this section. Associated options are shown on the right side of the screen. Step 5. Scroll down to the bottom of this section where you'll see all of the email addresses and email domains you've blocked on Proton. Step 6. Find the person you want to unblock on Proton Mail and then click the ellipses next to that email address to open a menu and then click Delete in that menu. That person will be unblocked in Proton Mail going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.